Unlock the full potential of data fetching in your NextJS applications with custom hooks. Start by importing useState and useEffect from React. Define the custom hook useFetchData that takes a URL. Initialize data state to null. Set loading to true by default. Prepare a state for handling errors, initially set to null. Use the useEffect hook to manage side effects. Inside useEffect, declare an async function fetchData. Implement a try block to attempt fetching data. Use fetch to make the API call to the provided URL. Convert the response to JSON. Update the data state with the result. Catch any errors that occur during fetch. Set the error state with the caught error. Finally, ensure loading is set to false. Mark the loading process as complete. Call fetchData and trigger a refetch when the URL changes. Return the data, loading state, and any errors. Here's the complete code for the useFetchData custom hook.